In this video, we will demonstrate how to verify the password expiration information for an Active Directory user using a command prompt or PowerShell. This can be useful to troubleshoot password policy behaviors when Okta is integrated with Active Directory or in situations with AD delegated authentication enabled, where users are unexpectedly prompted within Okta to change their password because it will soon or has already expired. Okta retrieves the date of password expiration only when just-in-time provisioning is enabled by reading the MSDS user password expiry time computed attribute provided by the domain controller that handles the JIT event, which can be found in the Okta AD agent logs. This attribute is not in a readable format, but PowerShell can be used to convert and validate the data. In PowerShell, run the command shown, substituting your own domain controller, the SAM account name of your Okta AD agent service account, and the SAM account name of the affected user. Enter the password for the Okta AD agent service account when prompted. This will validate the value the Okta agent is receiving from the domain controller. This command will also indicate if a user's password is set not to expire. To view this data using a command prompt, run the command net-user, followed by the user's SAM account name /domain. The password expires value is presented in the results. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.